Hello Planet Ocean Reefers, quick video with an update on what's happening at the moment. We had a delivery from the Tropical Marine Centre in Manchester yesterday, so I'll give you a quick rundown on what arrived in and the rest of the stock we've got in stock. Also give you a quick overview on my thoughts on the new TMC 60 litre aquarium that we got in stock, and yeah, just general bits and bobs. Okay, as you see, the display aquarium still doing fine, and as is the Aqua Pro Reef Aquarium, which again is available to order, and as is the Reef Pro. This one is going to need a haircut soon. That's getting a little bit overgrown. That's good news. Corals are doing really well in there, as is our little gem tank. Okay, we'll move on to what arrived in from TMC and also what we've already got in stock from before. So we've got red fairy wrasses, some green chromis, a couple of shot silk gobies, a pair of ocellaris clownfish, a little pictus blenny, a watchman goby, some blue pipefish, lovely little cherub angels came in there as well, ideal for smaller aquariums. We've still got our tank red yellow tang, black and white clownfish pair, a rusty angel, a suntail goby, a dusky wrasse, and a Caribbean sailfin blenny. In this one we've got red jawfish, another dusky wrasse, West Indian Ocean sailfin tang, a zebra goby, a blue striped dwarf parrot wrasse, black and white clownfish pair, and another sailfin blenny. This one we've got West Indian firefish, Red Sea cleaner wrasse, ocellaris clownfish pair, a fireball angel, a long-nosed hawkfish, a yellow wrasse, and a royal grama. I have a lemon peel angel, a white-tailed coal tang, a blue throat trigger, and a pair of frostbite clownfish. This one we've got black and white clownfish pair, gold rim tang, and a couple of sun-faced damsels. Over round past some of the dry goods, and we're into a leopard wrasse, a pair of stormtrooper clowns, black ones, silver belly wrasse, lovely Achilles tang. We've got a royal grama and a yellow goby. We have an Asper angel, a pair of skunk clownfish, and a neon line wrasse. In this tank we have tank bred common clowns, a sailfin brown tang or scopus tang, blue spotted jawfish, that's just round the corner there, a sulphur goby, a yellow wrasse, a yellow goby, and a high fin banded goby, somewhere around there, probably in the rocks. In this tank we have an adorned wrasse, a couple of sun-faced damsels, a yellow wrasse, a high fin banded goby, and a regal tang. This one we have a couple of Aptasia eating filefish, a Lamarck angel, an orchid dottyback, a Timor wrasse, and a male peacock wrasse. And finally on the fish we have a pair of ocellaris clowns, a fox face, a watchman goby, a peacock wrasse female, a couple of regal damsels, a royal grama, a purple firefish, a regal tang, coral sea one, a yellow goby, and a high fin banded goby. And that's the fish at the moment. We'll just have a quick chat about the Tropical Marine Centre's new Next Wave 60 aquarium. I think personally excellent value for money. It has a Bluetooth LED light across the top, an air driven protein skimmer, a lovely compartment to put your Rofos or any kind of GFO or carbon in there. And it's easily removed as well for changing and cleaning. It comes with a return pump, and then obviously optional extras, we have the air pump to dry the skimmer, an extra flow pump, and the heater. But a lovely little aquarium to have a couple of little gobies in, some little frags. The light should easily keep easy to keep SPS, LPS, and softies. But yeah, it's a very nice little aquarium. And you can see we have the cover on the top there as well, which is made to fit, like a chamber in the back there. Yeah, quite like that. Initial impressions are quite good. Okay, we'll move past the fish and show you some of the dry goods that we have in. Okay, got DDROs there as well. Onto the higher end stream pumps, Vectras. We've still got a special offer on the Radion. We're actually waiting on a new delivery for the Gen 6s to come in after selling out. And we've got the new 1.7 times more powerful Reef Delete as well. We had that upgraded. Still excellent value second-hand Radion that we have in here. Radion and a Reef Link for £200, as is the Orphic Blue Pluses as well. They're on ex-demo models. They've only been on for a little while, but they're good value as well. We'll move on to the corals now. This is the frag section, £25 each, 2 for 40, 3 for 50. Good size frags with some LPS along the bottom there as well. Got the little acro frags and smaller colonies with a few more LPS. And onto the larger colony size of the SPS. Monty's, Bird's Nest, Smilka, Stylos, a couple of acros, branching Monty's. Onto the individually priced slightly smaller but still good sized colonies, together with some LPS. Lovely brain coral there on the A-can. Moving to some more LPS along the bottom here, and some more colony sized, smaller colony sized SPS. Move into some of the soft corals we've got. So we've got some leathers, sulfur leather, green knobbly leather, standard toadstools, nice asparagus tip bush, blushing coral, and little finger coral there as well come in. And onto zoas and mushrooms. We've got some more single mushrooms. Got some, camera doesn't really do this justice, but they are really electric bronzy red individual Discosoma red mushrooms there, and they're beautiful. Got some Chaos Zoa frags there, together with some other coloured frags, green xenia. That's the livestock side. Let's see, we still do the dry rock, real reef rock, Carib Sea rock, and the DD base rock. We should have more of that coming in today as well. So we've got the jump guards as well in a new display And I'll show you the back view of the display aquarium. Yes, really happy with this one now. It's starting to come into shape. All the colours are starting to come out. Yeah, probably the best thing I did was to cut all those corals out at the top. It's opened it up and made it a lot nicer, I think. Anyway, that's enough for today's video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.